Hello and welcome to the how-to video on creating content through an HTML editor on Google Classroom Learning Management System. So just to start, I already have my basic shell course here and I'm going to show you today how to kind of create our content. I already have some stuff in here. I already have my topics created and you can create your topics for however you want. So let's just go to week one. Say I want to create a topic for week one. Well, as you can see here, I want to go to assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse the post, or create a different topic. Now, all of these are great. Depending on what sort of material you are presenting to your students or what you want them to use is more beneficial for which one you want to select. So assignment, the first one, this is just your basic assignment that you're going to have to create from scratch. So if you already have pre-made materials such as a pre-made Google form, a pre-made assignment that you're going to copy and paste into, assignment's probably your best bet. The difference between assignment and quiz assignment is that when you open up quiz assignment, a Google form is going to automatically populate, and then you can click on that Google form in this quiz assignment to create your new quiz. Question is a singular question. It can be answered either multiple choice or short answer. Material. I use material for a lot of just resources, lunch calendars, dictionary.com, anything that the students may want to refer back to multiple times, I label as a material. It does not have a due date. You can assign it to a different topic if you would like and go from there. Then reuse posts. This is going to be helpful if you're going to have the similar or same assignment over and over again and you just want to reuse a post that you've already done. So I'm just going to go into assignment here. As you can see, everything opens up. Let's just say week one, day one is going to be our assignment. Now, you can add in instructions here for your students. I suggest being as detailed as possible. Once again, if you already have something that you can copy and paste in, you can do that here. You have different options. If you want to add something from your Google Drive, you can drag and drop your classwork into here if you wish, which is always helpful. If you have a file you want to upload from a computer, you can do that there. A link is when you can copy and paste a link in. So for example, you can go ahead and add a link. And this is just one of my other how-to videos, how to do attendance in Google Classroom, and they can watch that there. Or you can utilize the YouTube function where if you want to compare and contrast, you can type in what you want to find. It will search for you. You can see a bunch of different videos on comparing and contrasting. This is the one that I like to use. I have watched it before, so I know that it is a good one. Go ahead and add it in. And you can tell the students, watch the video. Then on paper, respond with 3 details. Whatever you would want for your assignment. Now, if you are wanting to attach a new document for this, so this is like if I wanted my students to be able to answer on a Google Doc, it would open up. I could label the document if I wish. I usually just let my students do that themselves. Now, you can change how the students access this file. Either students can view the file if you're putting just instructions on here, what comparing and contrasting is for this example, whatever you want, you can change. You can have students edit the file. Now, if you click students edit the file and you have 25 students go into this at once, all 25 of those students are going to be able to see the same file. I typically make a copy for each student. That means that this assignment is going to automatically populate a Google Doc with this assignment. So I'm going to say, then on the Google Doc, respond with 3 details so that they automatically stay in this system and they can add their information directly here. Now, I want to assign it for all students. This is where you can set up groups for your students and assign it to certain ones. You can assign different points, change the points. 100 is the automatic number. You can add a due date if you wish. And if you do time, the automatic time is 11:59 of that day, but you can always change it to be whatever you want. If you already have a topic, this is where you can assign it to a topic, and if you forget, you can always do the drag and drop, and you can assign it to week one. You can even go in and create a rubric for this. This would be a whole nother video, but I can go over that if anybody is interested. And you now have your basic shell of an assignment. Once again, if I wanted to just copy and paste information into this, I could. If I wanted to add pictures into this, I could insert files using Google Drive or insert files to my computer. I can just hit browse and then my computer pops up here. You see some of my basic pictures, creating a course. If I wanted to add an image in, the image would pop up here. And once again, you want to change how the students see this or use this. Do you want to just have students view the image? Maybe it's helpful for them. You can make a copy for each student if you want them to access it and draw over it. Whatever you are wanting to do with this assignment is what you need to change your access for. When you are done, you can either schedule it, save it as a draft, or just assign. I'm going to go ahead and assign it so that you see what this looks like. Once it is assigned, it will pop up. You see it here under week 1, day 1, and then if I go back to the stream, it is actually going to be the first thing, because once again, the stream is like a Facebook page, and the earliest is going to be on top, and then the oldest is going to be on the bottom, as you can see here, and they can find it by going into either one of these sections. Thank you for watching and have a great day.